In this video, we're talking about Nasayo, what it is, and whether it's worth your time and money. Nasayo is a platform built by Nas Company, the same team behind Nas Daily. It's designed for creators, educators, and community leaders who want to build and manage their own online communities. With Nas.io, you can create a space where people join your community, pay for memberships, attend live events, and even receive updates via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. It's like Discord, Zoom, and a newsletter platform all rolled into one, but more focused on monetization and structure. So, is it worth it? If you're a content creator, coach, or educator who wants to grow and monetize your audience, Nasio can be a great option. It simplifies community setup and handles payments globally. Plus, the direct integration with messaging apps gives it an edge. But if you're just looking for a simple group chat or don't plan on monetizing your audience, other platforms like Discord or Facebook groups might be enough and totally free. Bottom line, if you want to build a brand, sell knowledge, or run a paid community, Nasio is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching.